All right, today I'm gonna be showing you guys the Coconu massage oil. Full disclosure, it was sent this product from the company. It's still gonna be giving you an honest opinion and show you what you get. So I'm doing a first unboxing here. So first you gotta take this little seal off, okay? And then yeah, you can see it's got a nice lubey feel to the top right there. Let's put some on this Post-it note first. So you can see that's how it comes out. It is a little bit of like an off-white color. Let's put some on my hands. Let's go do a little massage on my arm here. This is the box that it comes in as well. So, okay, yeah, you get a nice lubricant feel like that. Ooh. Give a nice coconut oil massage to somebody. You know, get them feeling nice. It's very nice, nice lather right there. It's super smooth. So you can see I'm just kind of rubbing it in my hand, getting a little oily. But yeah, thank you to the company for sending us this product to test. That's what you're going to get.